Good morning, students. Today we are going to begin our second term with chapter number 6, that is HTML and Introduction. As you have learned other languages, you have learned QBasic, you have learned the logo. Similarly, HTML is also a computer language, but unlike the other languages, it is not used to write computer programs. It is not used to write programs for the computer. Rather, it is used to create and design web documents. Web documents means all the websites that you see on the internet, they all are the web documents. So whatever is available on internet, that is called as web document. So this HTML, that stands for Hypertext Markup Language, this is used to design the web documents, used to design web pages, used to design websites. And the good thing about this is that if you need to create or design a web document using HTML, you need not to be an expert programmer. It is very simple. It is quite easy to use. So you can develop web pages without putting much efforts using HTML. And the characteristic of the HTML documents is that the HTML documents contain only the plain text. These are simple text files only. Let us begin now with the advantages of HTML. What are the advantages? First advantage is that these documents or files can be created using any HTML editor or any text editor and run on web browser. The first thing that is listed in the book is that if you have to create any of the HTML document, you can make use of a simple text editor. Text editors means any of the application, any of the program that help you to write and edit text, like for example Word, for example WordPad, for example Notepad. So you need not to have a separate program to create HTML. You can make use of any of the Word, any of the document editor, and to see the result we can make use of any of the web browsers. So number of web browsers are available, like Firefox, Chrome is there, like Apple Safari is there. These all are web browsers, so you can make use of any. So one thing we got out of first point, that to create HTML documents we should have at least two of the programs. One, any type of the text editor, and second, any type of the web browser. Then second point, HTML is a markup language, not a programming language. It's not a programming language. We are not writing programs for the computer with HTML. Rather, we are marking some of the text that need to be displayed while we are online. So it's markup, not a programming language. Third is, it is easy to modify, understand and interpret. You can easily create any of the web page using HTML. You can make changes also very easily. And why, if somebody else has written the HTML code, you can easily understand that. You can easily interpret what will be the outcomes of this. Fourth is, processing of designing is highly flexible. Highly flexible because we said we can easily modify this. So if we are able to easily modify this, therefore it is very flexible. Two or more pages can be linked. You can create different pages using HTML, and afterwards all these pages can be linked to each other. One of the page can be linked to the another page. Even if you have created 10 pages or 20 pages, all those pages can be linked to each other. Case is not considered here. Capital HTML or small HTML or the mixed cases are same. This means that if you are writing the commands here in the HTML are called as tags. So if you are writing the tags in the capital letter, in the small letter, or using both the cases, will not make any difference. You can write anyway, either in capital, either in a small, or using both, or the combination of both. Markup tags are used. Here the tags are used, markup tags are used, that means indicated. Some of the tags are indicating to the particular place to the particular page, this can be used over here. And the last advantage, any multimedia, graphic, text, picture can be inserted to the page. Now what all you can add to the web document that you have created? You can write the plain text can be displayed. You can put pictures, you can even insert sound, you can even insert videos. So almost every type of media that is available that can be put into any of the web document. Next we should discuss about HTML editors. We said that we need HTML editor. So these HTML editors are what? These are simple application softwares that you will be using to create or design web pages. And whatever you will create on the HTML editor, the result will be seen on the web browsers. On any of the web browser, no hard and fast rule that only this particular browser is to be used. Any of the web browser you can make use of. So some of the examples of the browser are Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, Safari, Opera. So these are some of the examples. There are many more. You can make use of any of the web browser to see the result. Now what are the types of editors? We have two main type of editors. One is called as WYSI, WYG editors, and another are called text editor. This stands for what you see is what you get. In these type of the editors, whatever you will do on the editor's window, the same thing will appear on the output window, that is on the browser's window. Wherever you have written the text, at the same place in the browser also it will appear. Whatever color of the text you have used, same color will appear on the output window, that is on the browser's window. So here what you see, whatever is visible in front of you, the same is displayed on the output window. That is why we are calling it as what you see is what you get. And the examples for these type are MS Front Page and Adobe Dreamweaver. Now advantages of what you see is what you get are, these can create the websites quickly, because whatever you have done, the same is going to be displayed. So quickly you can do this. And here you need not to learn about the HTML tag. You simply will have to place the things, like if suppose I want to place a picture, I will pick up the picture and put it on the editor. Now to put that picture on the editor, I need not to know the command. I need not to know the tag, what it should be. The tag will automatically be generated. So I need not to learn anything. Next type are text editors. Text editors, these are the one where we need to know the tags. We need to learn the tags. And the examples of the text editor are Notepad, WordPad. So we are going to make use of the text editor. In this chapter, we will not learn what you see is what you get, but we will learn about the text editors. So the next video, we will be seeing how to create the web pages.